Ito ang Bath and Body Works winter season. I like this winter candy apple. And this is the lotion. And this one is shower gel. Yes, baby. You want to buy ano? We will buy lotion. Take this, baby. Take this. Take this. We'll go shopping lotion. Che, gusto mo to? Ang bango ito.
Kalimutan ko nga.
Ito yun, no?
Yung ba naman lotion?
Ito winter, ang bango ngayon.
Ano?
Ano yan? Ayun ang tester yata. Ay, ang tester.
Tester yan?
Aywan ko lang, kulang eh. Baka yan ang tester.
Wala sa oras.
Hi, sister.
Hi.
Where's your tester?
G, put it in.
Your tester?
Sister.
Yeah.
Can you try this now?
Which one?
Can you try this? Oh, try this.
Umili ka hanap ng puno. Kumuha nga ng apat.
Long, baby.
O kaya dalawa. Only for eh. I do it. Thank you. This vanilla Vinoa.
All shower gel?
This one's the...
Yeah. All shower gel, 25. Another 45.
How about here?
This one, 25 shower gel. Another 45.
45. Everything.
Yes.
No, that 25?
25 shower gel.
How about the lotion?
This lotion 45.
This
What lotion you have? 25?
Only 45. Another.
No lotion.
No. 25 only shower gel.
I thought it's 25, so I want to get more.
That means?
Twister apple mint. Wala nga. Body mist also, it's 45. So, thank you. And here is the winter. Wow. But everything is 45 real. So, this is frosted coconut snowball. And they have new strawberry new plates. This is the winter. Everything is 45 reals except the shower gel yata ay 45. That's cool. And this is the best gift for Christmas. So all my kababayan and so when you need something for giveaway on Christmas, for Christmas presents, cool, that's cool. All the shower gel is 25 reals. At promise, ang babango ngayon ng mga Bath and Body Works nila. By the way, lumabas na yung mga kasama ko. So, hanggang dito na lang itong aking vlog. Okay, thank you so much. Bath and Body Works. Okay. Dito tayo sa Bath and Body Works. Love it. Cute, oh.